Hey, this is Dipuno Chapel from WP Themehat, and today we will learn about add actions and do action. So, in our previous episode, we have shown you some of that, how add action works. It was a pre-built add actions, that is after setup theme, and the callback functions was take this theme setup that was made by ours, and the action name after setup theme that was made by WordPress. So it was default, and also the priority. So now we will create our own action for separating our header part by part, into like more pieces of a cake. So this preloader will be separated, this mobile menu will be separated, this header area will be separated, and we will for creating our action, we'll create a folder, and inside the folder we will make a file, and inside that we will call off all of our actions on that. So inside our inc folder we will create a folder called hooks, and inside the hooks folder we will create a new file called hooks function .php, and another one that is hook.php or hooks.php. So you can name it whatever you like, and we will obviously require this in our functions.php. Okay, inside hooks.php we'll write our hooks name. So for that we will first copy our doc here, a simple documentation. Okay, and in here in hooks.php we will write add action, and I previously told you that this will be our own action. So this one will be for, like, this action will be for our preloader. So we'll write preloader action. So we will give a action name that will be like take page preloader action. Okay, and this is the action name. This is the action name, and in the second parameter we will give the callback function. So the callback function will be take binge preloader action, and this is the CB. So that is the callback, and the priority will be 10, and the accepted arguments is 1. So we don't need to do anything. So now it's time to make our callback function. So for the callback functions we will go on this hooks function, and obviously we'll do a doctag here, and after that we'll write like this: if function exists, then the name is take this preloader action CB. So we'll give this one here, and here obviously a not sign. What we are telling is, if this function is not exist, that means if this function is already built in, then this one will not work. So we'll create the function here, function and the name of the function, and inside the function we will give the code that is for our preloader. So we will copy our preloader from here, and we will give it here. Okay, so we can do it in two ways. We can finish the PHP code here and start it here once again. So this is a perfect way. We have made the functions, that is the preloader, and this preloader is having here the callback functions, and the action name is take this preloader action. Now we want to remove this and do the actions that is having here. So we'll remove this one. This preloader, we'll remove it from here, from the header.php. Now we'll have a look that is it working or not. Preloader is coming it or not. So preloader is not coming now. So it will not work right now. So what we need to do is we need to write some PHP code here. PHP. Then we'll give some doc tag. Obviously give some doc tag always. So it's a standard practice, so if the developer come to your code and he can understand easily. So we'll give the name here, hook. So it's a hook now, and the callback function name. So we'll give the callback function name, okay, callback function, and the hook name, okay. And here we will give the hook name, and hook name is this one. This one is the hook name, okay. So it's pretty perfect. Now here what we want to do, we want to execute these functions to here, or we want that these functions they take this preloader action, it need to be work here. So for that we will give a do underscore action, and do actions take this preloader action. It is suggesting me that this is the action that you are having. So take this preloader action, hook name. So now save your code and give a refresh here. Boom. You can see the preloader is working. So if I just comment out this one, this do action, take this preloader action and give a refresh, preloader is not coming. And if I just remove the comment and give a refresh here, the preloader is working. So this way we will separate our every code, every part of our code that is having in HTML. So this is how the add action and the do action works. So we'll see you in our next episode. Tata, bye bye.